everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm here to share my mini beauty haul. I have got new items in makeup and skincare and I am here to share all of them with you guys. I will try and give some mini review for the product I've already used up, and if you guys are interested to check out this haul, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Alrighty, so let's start with the skincare first. I recently picked up few items from Conscious Chemist. They were having some buy two get two offer on their website, and I thought let me just try out their viral sunscreen. All this while I was using my Dermaco sunscreen and it did not help me with my tanning and my sunburn. So I really wanted to change my sunscreen, and that's the reason I got their Conscious Chemist Sun Drink Hybrid Gel Non-Greasy Sunscreen that has SPF of 50 with PA 4 times plus. It also had broad spectrum UVA, UVB, and it has ceramide complex, milk thistle extract, olive, and squalene. And it says it is for all skin types, and you get 50 grams of product. So I bought 4 of them because they were having buy two get two, and I got this mini sunscreen as a freebie and also an eye mask. So yeah, I think for all these 4 items I nearly paid rupees 614 if I'm not wrong. The exact pricing I'll try to mention it on the screen if I get it. So let me just try out the sunscreen, as I have heard a lot of good things about it. I have seen all positive reviews. And the next skincare product is from Minimalist. It is their 5% niacinamide face serum, and it also has hyaluronic acid in it. I was using this serum for quite a long time, and then I switched to 10%, but 10% one did not suit my skin. It gave me some skin irritation and I stopped using it completely. After a while, it's been more than 6 months that I am starting with the 5% one. Again, I hope, keep my fingers crossed, that it doesn't give me any kind of skin irritation. Though 5% one never gave me any kind of skin issues, I was always fine with it. So yeah, I'm going to restart using this. The next one, I got Huda Beauty Icy Nude Blush Filter in the shade Coco Loco. I was eyeing this shade for the longest time. I just absolutely liked the packaging and I bought it from Myntra. It was really on great deal. I think I paid 1532, and that's how the shade actually looks on me. I have used this just once, and I think when I'm on the rush I can use it as my bronzer as well as my blush, and it looks beautiful on my brown skin. If you're a little bit deeper, then too you can pull off this shade really very well, and it blends very easily. However, I could notice some fine shimmer particles. You can see the sheen it provides. It's just because of the fine shimmer particles that is present inside, but you cannot actually see the shimmer particles shining. It just melts into your skin and gives you that luminous radiance. Coming to the next, it's Lakme 9 to 5 High Matte Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid. It is their newest launch. I picked up the shade W320 Warm Caramel. I absolutely enjoyed the texture and the consistency of this foundation that retails for rupees 899. However, the shade is not perfect for me, and if you are interested why the shade is not perfect for me, I think you'll have to head on to my channel. I recently posted an in-depth review with 5 hours of wear test. So if you are someone who is looking out for an honest review with good wear time, then you should check out my channel. Next, I picked up this Inside Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is in the variant Blush Bash, and you get 4 pan eyeshadow like this. So 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. Now I have already tried out this eyeshadow palette, you guys. To be very honest, I did not like the formulation. Whatever eyeshadow palette I tried from Inside Cosmetics, I never liked the formulation. Why? Because it is drying, it is very chalky, it doesn't want to blend properly, it gets patchy and splotchy, also leaves some bald spots, plus the shimmers are not blinding. I love my shimmers to be absolutely blinding and blingy, whereas this one is very subtle, you guys. So whatever sheen that you can see, it's very minimal. I don't like my shimmers to be this. I want it very blingy. It should give me a very glittery kind of look. It is very normal attempt from Inside Cosmetics, and I think it also retails under rupees 200 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I did not like that this eyeshadow palette at all. Next, I bought this Pro Arte PF66 flat angle contour brush, which looks something like this. I absolutely love the shape of this brush, and I have used this twice, washed it. I like to use this for my foundation specially, and for my blush and bronzer, never used for my contour because the shape is not right to blend out my contour. That is what I have felt personally. But to blend out the foundation, it does a wonderful job. It's not too thick, not too thin. The shape is also beautiful to blend out the foundation. You can tap it and blend it out, and it does a magical job. So I absolutely love this, and probably I'm going to keep a backup of this. Next, I picked up this NYX Marshmallow Primer. You get 30 ml of quantity. This is on my friend's recommendation. I had this primer on my wish list for the longest time, and I picked up this from Myntra at a very steal deal. She was the one who told me that this primer is on great discount, and this smells amazing, just like marshmallow cupcake, you guys. It has a slightest of lavender tint to it, and once you blend it out, it feels absolutely creamy and moisturizing. It also evens out your skin. That is what I can feel. I have not tried out this primer under my base makeup. It is really very hydrating, and yeah, so I'll try out this primer and let you guys know whether it is worth the money or not. Alright, so next I picked up a lipstick from Swiss Beauty Select. It is their Cream Touch lipstick. This is in the shade Brave Brown. I have been seeing this shade going viral from all the swatches that I saw. I like this one for my brown skin. Now this gives you luxe shine. It is ultra hydrating, provides you one swipe pigmentation, and it also has vitamin E and tea tree oil. So that's how the packaging looks like, which is screaming luxe to me. At the back, it's completely transparent, and here you will see the detailing going on, and that's how the bullet looks like. So this is the shade Brave Brown. Now the bullet is little wobbly for me because it has uprooted. I did not check it, and I have already used it, so I cannot even return it, you guys. So I'll have to be really careful with the bullet so that I don't break it any further. However, I really like the texture of this lipstick. It is very smooth, creamy, buttery, goes on easily, and yes, it does provide you with one swipe opaque pigmentation, and it is very much moisturizing on the lips as well. Now this is the other shade that I have it on my lips. Let me just give you a swatch. So this is the shade Brave Brown, and it is a very beautiful rich chocolatey brown. However, once I've tried it on my skin, I felt it looks very cool toned on me. Now coming to the last makeup product of this haul, and it was quite a viral all over the internet. I'm talking about L'Oreal Infallible 3-second makeup mist. It gives you 36 hours of non-transfer makeup wear, and you get 75 ml of quantity. This retails for rupees 7.99, and you get very little product. The product itself is very tiny. Can you see the size? And I haven't tried it out yet, but I can say that Mumbai climate is getting hotter day by day. We are reaching the end of March, and it started to get really hot. So I really wanted something that fixes my makeup and extends my makeup longevity. So yeah, for that I picked this up. I have seen mixed review about it, but I am going to try it out personally and let you guys know whether it is worth the hype or not. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, you might like these videos of mine. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.